If you want to insert or import your own model, you can simply going all down to embedded model, or from this playlist going to other and drag and drop embedded model here. And then you have to upload file here, for example this Batman. You can see all of the supported obj.stl file that you can import, and it open, and it's all about up, put on the floor, and you can just import. Don't go to edit model or other things because it's not actually for modeling. Going to just to material, select the default material, and here you can change your model. And this software is just for importing model and changing material and just simple render. Okay, that's it. And then you can change the material of that.